Everybody, I am here to walk you through the quarter three, week 9 assignments. This is for the week of March 15th through March 19th. Our objectives for this week, we're going to be using varied examples to document the expansion of democratic rights and principles over time. So previously in this unit, we've looked at the expansion of social rights, women's rights, rights of prisoners, mental institution reform, education reform. This week, we're going to be focusing on political reform and things that change politically during this time period. In your interactive notebook, you're going to be completing pages 32 through 37 and begin working, if you have a little extra time, begin working on the Unit 5 review sheet. And we are going to be taking the Unit 5 Standard 3 and 4 quiz next Tuesday on the 16th. So make sure you are prepared for that. So day by day, here's what it's going to look like. On Monday, you're going to open up your Unit 5 interactive notebook. You're going to go to page 32, where it says Andrew Jackson Stations. You'll see there's the spoils of political battles, mudslinging, the Jackson Nearpod, and the campaign. You can find all of that information by clicking on this page right here where it says Andrew Jackson Stations, and we'll have all the resources you need to fill out and complete those stations. On Tuesday, it will be something similar, except we're going to look, rather than just at Jackson, how other presidents and other ways that the political system was expanded. So this starts on slide 34, expanding political system. You're going to use this page right here this time around and this website to fill out all of the questions on page 34 and the Venn diagram on page 35. Now on Wednesday in class, we are going to be taking the SHARP survey. Link to the survey will be found on the home page, but please do not take that unless you are in class with me. If you're absent this day, complete both of these ed puzzles. In class, if someone does the SHARP survey, they need to do one. If they finish early, if they aren't doing the SHARP survey, they will also do both. So if you're absent, you will not be doing the SHARP survey. Please complete both ed puzzles. And Thursday is a bit of a review day, kind of reviewing a lot of the changes we've talked about this week for pages 36 and 37. You're going to use this page right here. There it goes. To fill it out, watching this video, reading through some articles, looking through PowerPoint about who would and would not be allowed to vote in the 1800s and who can vote today, and then completing the assigned activity on Quizalize following this link and this code. It'll be different for Miss Crandall's class, but the code will be here. Now on Friday, the remote learning day, you are also going to be going to Quizalize and completing a review for the Unit 5 test. We're going to be taking the Unit 5 test next week. And so you need to complete this review to be prepared for that test. As always, feel free to reach out to myself or Ms. Crandall with any questions that you have.